This week, I'm going to help you have that tricky conversation that you need to have to get a new client. I'm John Paul Fischbach. I'm the CEO and Chief Alchemist here at the Auspicious Arts Incubator. And this week, I want to help you have that new client conversation. You know, we are usually so excited and enthusiastic about our new art product or service that we make the most common mistake that almost every artist makes: pushing the new thing. You know, this is cool. I love it. I know everyone's going to love it. And you want it. You know, careful. That's not good business, and it's not using the principles of value-based language. Why do they want or need to spend their time and their money with you? What do they value? Right? This is an easy concept to grasp, but it's a very hard one to put into practice. Mistake number one is that you haven't determined if they actually need it. So ask yourself, figure this out. Who is the right market? You have this new thing, who's the right market? Second question is, well, who needs this? Okay? The mistake number two that most artists make is, well, why do they need this? So answer this question. What problem will it solve? Or how is it going to improve their situation? Ask those two questions. You've got to figure this out, right? So here's a better approach before you take your art to market. Who needs it? And why do they need it? So once you've answered those questions, here's how to structure the meeting. You start with how to even get the meeting, right? You know, you send an email, you have a phone call that says, look, I'd like to meet with you about a way to, and then you address the need that they have, right? Something, I'd like to help you, to chat with you about a way to solve. I'd like to talk to you about a way to help. I'd like to talk to you about a way to get more, right? That's the conversation starter. So once you get the meeting, then in the next hot tip, I'm going to explain what you actually do in that meeting. So if this was helpful, please share it with another artist. And if you want to get more in-depth to this and really understand what this is all about in value-based language and structuring this conversation, then check out the ASAP program that we have.